Oh, there we go. Yes. There we go. Every time I'm doing something good. All right. Whew. Silent running. That was the first one here. What the hell? It's somehow always the first one that falls and then the second. Yeah. And Happy New Year, like, woohoo, New Year! New idiot things we can do. Oh, that's fucking. So, take a work, work off. Doesn't work. Just so, I think I go to 2 hours now again. They have to flat out. But, oh, that's cool. Now we need to see a question. The part of top out, walk person was trying to necessarily this, so I'm looking for someone else to and to do this. I want to make electronics that are best and just faulty by mistake. I'm still looking for someone that is good at this this self. But Thursday, but I'm not sure. I thought, well, situation, I have a sleep problem. I'm awake at 4 and I have a sleep problem. That's well, it works for some people, it just doesn't work for me. I have tried it to get that sleep rhythm on time myself, and it doesn't make it. Maybe sleep before works way better. Works way better. So that is a problem. Just for 4 hours if I get okay. Found out I hope this will stop the track anyway, so the inserted part, I think you will see. It has actually not proceed now. Stable from flat class, so the model sometimes gets stuck. Yeah, so probably better. If mostly was planning to just see them go and do a next step. Oh, so man, guys, taking stack up and taking it out. Yes. Good. 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 By oh, this is just only can I do. So problem of mine is that my silly brain keeps things to process so much at the same time. It gets extra work without me assuming an ad. So yeah, that's the prototyping part that I still kind of accepting myself because every time I try to do it, like, oh cool, yeah, I'm gonna make something, but it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Keep doing that. Not a good. For thinking of retrospect, it's probably gonna be like downstairs. Like this table is very small, and I have a lot of other electronic stuff in the corners and stuff. So this table is already filled up. But downstairs, I have an empty table, 1 by 2 meters. I'm gonna cover the whole thing. Like, damn, as much as I can do. No rest for the wicked. Hello. Harry.
No. Yes? Is this better? I hope so. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, hopefully this is better. Hopefully this is better. I switched the microphone, so which means one of the two microphones is not that great anymore. Yeah, I switched. So again, Windows being derpy with my headsets and my microphones, which is not fun. Okay, so now I can push this away here. I can actually see the chat better. So there we go. Put the camera there. Put the camera there. Put it a little bit more in the way, so actually just do show things. All right, so we can disassemble the rest. Now we have some space here, so I can actually build something. Yeah, I don't know, man. Like the last few days, I have problems with OBS not recognizing my microphone at all. It was good for a long run, but now it's like, nah, nah, nah. And I'm not changing anything. I'm not even restarting my computer, so what the hell, Windows? It's being derpy. It's being very derpy. It's just being derpy. That was a weird crack. But yeah. Okay, now we have some space. We can make a new design. Maybe not with everything, because I want to show the splitting system. Make it cool and fancy. So we're doing that. I just want everything a little bit more cleaned up in here. Come on. Yep. Cool. Yeah. Sometimes OBS is very derpy and it's getting annoying. So let's use that one for this one. Oh yeah, wrong one.
You are listening to 24/7 London Radio.
That one needs to go there. Yeah, I'm gonna change this. I'm not happy with this model at all. That's this one. So we have 1, 2 combiners. We have a couple more that is left, right, right. And we have a left and a straight, so we can switch things out, but these switches are not that great. I'm gonna remove technically all of this, so these pieces, so will be updated in a way that works better because I'm not happy with this design. But for now this works and we can make it work. I have some more magnets here to insert, so let's do that. And put the camera a little bit more down there, and then we go. Because more magnets. Guess we have 9 more. Doop doop. So yeah, this is the one thing you need to do. Nope. I really dislike silk sometimes because the magnets are not sticking in proper. There we go. But at least they're stuck. At least they're stuck now. If you can't get them in very great, then they are stuck. Oh, that one is very bad again. Next one is also this. Okay, wait, I'm gonna grab the small stack. Maybe this one works. This is weird, should not work. Oopa. Okay, that looks better. Then we use the smaller magnets. These are all under 0.6, so yeah, this one is way too small. Too small, so we use a bigger magnet. And yes, they all look the same. 4.5, average of 4.7. It's really annoying, but cheap prices, you never know which quality you get, so yeah. See, this one goes in very smooth again. This one probably also, yeah, this one is better, but my hands are already doing not the fun part of my thumb is already in pain. Yeah. But yeah, this is the small hand labor on this project. And it really is horrendous or not if you have the fine tweaking of this. I noticed that silk goes a lot harder to print in, to push it in, and it's the same design as all the others, which makes it funny because the normal PLA doesn't have this problem. So silk has bridging problems, or somehow it's just, I don't know, but that's the thing you need to puzzle out. So I'm definitely gonna make the inside holes, so all these different sizes, so people when they buy magnets they have a higher range of clickable holes. At least that's the idea. That's the idea, because otherwise you need this specific set of magnets. And this one is too small. This one is not even round. Yeah, okay, that's a broken one. That's a broken one because that is a flat piece. Some magnets really have a flat spot and nothing much you can do about it. But if you buy 1,000 magnets and you have 20 not correct, yeah, seems like a good price and a good value. That 980 are all functional working, so that should be fine. But I'm not happy with how this works exactly. My torch. I'm gonna check if the first layer did go correctly. Oh, yeah, cool, awesome. Awesome, print is going good. But yeah, so everything stacked together makes it pretty compact, but that there's no air gaps inside of the whole marble contraption. But the moment you build out, it becomes a lot bigger because I'm using as much air on the inside so you don't have a lot of useless pieces that are only for stacking. At least that's what I'm trying to achieve, and I think with the magnets it brings in that perfect balance of you can go very open and still have stability that the marble can do its thing. And I'm pretty excited how it actually is falling together of, you know what, this actually works. Yes, it's a little bit of effort of putting the magnets in, but once they're in, you don't have to touch them. It's not a greasing thing that you need to replace once in a while. Well, yeah, okay, if the plastic piece breaks down, you need to take them out. That's smart. But it's not an, how do you say that? What's the good word of, the upkeep is low. Yeah, the upkeep is low maintenance, because the only thing is happen if a piece actually fully breaks down, you need to take the magnets out. Well, that's knife, you knife it open, you just get the knife in and you get the magnets out. So pretty easy, and then put them in a new piece and be done with it. There we go. But yeah, doing this every 9 hours or 7 hours a couple times is, for me, doable. If you go bigger and start mass setting, that becomes a problem, but then you're gonna make a tool that actually pumps in the magnets one by a time. Just do a click and then it inserts it in, and you're gonna fine-tune the calibration even more. Because if you go to that scale, you just buy in, you buy 20,000 magnets or 100,000 magnets, and you pre-sort them all on the perfect scale, everything in 0.2 or 0.05 millimeter distance, and everything gets scaled up, the broken ones get out. But then you're talking about a really big scale of like, okay, now you can do that. Of setting up a whole contraption of actually getting the good magnets out. Almost lost my magnet. And doing that, for my scale, yeah, that doesn't work, because this is small, this is, yeah, not that big. But thinking about that and making that process is still something to puzzle with. Like, is it an ease of life to make things easier by clicking this thing in or not? Ow. I should stop using my thumb, but I keep doing it because it's faster and easier. But it hurts. But I still keep trying it. Every time I think it, huh? Yep. But yeah, there is, again, like, I'm not a person that just makes a model and cool, that's a model. I like to make functional things, and for me this is functional. Combining it with metals and electronics and having fun with that, because for me, that's a pretty cool thing of making things that seems technically a little bit semi-impossible. Like, you have marble contraptions, but I have not found one that is similar to mine. Yeah, well, six-sided, because that's the most efficient way to build it. But the approach of magnets, I've seen a couple, but those are so bloody pricey that I'm like, yeah, no. And some just use extremely a lot of parts, and I like to keep it a little bit more simple, like the not too many bloatware parts. I think I'm going into the right direction with this. At least it feels okay for me, and I still have a lot of tweakings to do, so. Oh, I'm slowly running out of gas, so my lighter won't stop working very soon. Oh, now it works again. But I think for this small thing that the demo is a really great concept, and it's gonna be cool. I keep doing it with my thumb because it's easier. Stop doing that. Keep doing it. I keep. Damn it. There we go. Alright. But yeah, 60 days left. Kinda. Yeah, 60 days left. Damn. I'm running out of time to keep things in check and keep it going. And that's really bugs me, because the PCB part for the lamp is now kinda delayed, so that's a little bit of a way to recoup the cost of the event and hopefully realize, like, hey, I can actually sell the lamps and make some profit to make other projects. But damn, yeah, crap. So I need to be objectively looking up what my goal is for the next part of the next 60 days, of like, what's the things I'm gonna focus on, what's the most optimal way to do the projects that I can do. And hopefully, yeah, that's the challenge of like realizing that part. I have a plan in my mind, and that's really depending on Thursday. If Thursday I find someone that can help me with the PCB part system, then cool, then everything is on track. If I have no one, then crap. And I'm, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So hopefully someone at that location, the print meeting that I go to once every 2 months, there's someone that want to help me making the PCB, or at least have some time to actually teach me, if I have the time for that, to puzzle it out. So that is me, yeah, taking my time into what is a PCB, how does the PCB work, how do you do that safely, because I hear a lot of people saying like, oh yeah, just make those lines, make it and just send it. But like, cool, this is going into a project that will be on sale, and I don't want to make a mistake on the design part, because if that is not safety, it's a risk for people, and if people have it in their house, yeah, I don't want to feel that's responsible. Like, if I have no control over it, I'm fine that I make mistakes, but I have the control to not fuck it up. I don't want to fuck it up. Cool, so this one are also magnetized now. Okay, so this should now be around 170 pieces. Doesn't feel like that, huh? It doesn't feel like that. it doesn't feel that much. 160, 170 pieces. Wow, it's going so fast, like stacking all the things up. Whew. Now, I'm gonna do the small magnets away because I don't want to merge them with big stack. That's gonna be really not fun. And I got the order, 5,000 more magnets incoming. So that's 9,000 magnets, which equals 1,500 of these pieces. We're now at 160, 170. Oh, we're going for way more magnets, huh? Yep. Yeah. Whew. Okay, 1, 2. I have 3 splitters. One is not the most functional. Or is this the best one? I think this is the correct one because that's the sticking one out. That's the incorrect one. So we have this one, and this one. We have 3 splitters. Someone, I'm gonna say his name wrong again, right? I'm gonna say his name. I need to look up his name. He is also a lot here, and he helped me out with finding a website. What's his name? Herzelknerk. Found a website, a German website, that brings the price to 1,000 magnets for 26. And if you buy 20 pieces, so 20 times 1,000 magnets, so you get 20,000 magnets, it goes down to 21 euros per 1,000, which equals into 2.2 cents a magnet. The normal price, if you just buy 1,000, is 28 or 26, so you get a little bit percentage cuts when you bulk buy. So if this builds out, yeah, I can do a bulk buy of 1. So then instead of buying multiple sessions of 26, you buy 1 session of 21, so that is 436 euros in total, and shipping cost is the same. So, at least it's underway. So I assume that it's gonna work. I bloody hope. And hopefully those magnets are in the same quality as this big stack. I hope. If not, then reprint this batch, make that magnet stack up, use the next batch, and keep doing that. At least that's what you hope of, doing that. Alright, so we have a cool couple combiners. We have some empty ones still that we can switch out. So we're gonna make a split here. Do this. Yeah, let's put the camera there. So we want to start with this one, but we're gonna go 2-2 split into a 4-1, so that doesn't work. So if we do a 2 split, so if we have 2 splitters here, we get a 4 into a 3. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so at least this one goes there, so that is fine. How do we build this out? Let's get some round ones first. Okay, that's the splitters I want to use. These ones here for now. So we can use this over here. Okay, so we start with this. We already have a 2 combiner into 1. But I want to go 1 up, 1 straight, so the splitter goes there. And we have this one over here. Oh, my multi-pad, it's more pain. Oh, but it's still fun. It's still fun, man. It's still fun, right? So we can go split here. And then we go up there. Okay, yeah, so that's the first splitter again. So we put this one, not here, but there. Okay, yeah. So this one goes here. Then this one goes here. And then this one goes here. That one. Yep, don't drop it. So this is technically the first concept, but now I kind of want to get some more in. So we're gonna get the pad in here and here. Okay. Oh, this is brain wrecking because I'm trying to visualize all the pads that I want to place, but I don't want to make it too crowded. But at the same time, crap. Yeah. So I kind of want to make a straight dropper, straight dropper, straight dropper. Goes in here, and this one goes in there. Okay. Wait, is this one? Yeah. Why it was not advertised? It was right. Okay, where's an empty one? Empty. Where are you? I don't see empties. Where are the empty ones? There they are. Found one. Cool. Then we have a straight piece in here. Cool, because now we have all three pads. If we put this one over here, this one needs to be a corner. Or no, we can do this one. Goes in here, this one goes in here, so that split, the next split goes up here. Then we do that. And we build a little bit up here, so you get it, hopefully a good top visualizer into it. Yeah, because I want to just visualize the tops more. Cool, so this one goes in here, so we're gonna make the split in here. I'm just gonna use everything on the bottom because I have enough pieces. So it's just nice and stable. Okay, I need one sharp corner here, so this one also in here. So then we have this piece already, that should be fine. I kind of want to get this area here. And then work up that one. So I need more straight pieces. So then we get that corner. Should be strong enough, so that goes in here. Okay, will this work? Okay, this is the one I need to test. Okay, that's the one I need to test. Okay, so we have an empty one here. And then we get the good one, I think, in here. Okay, I want something under this because these ones are bunk heavy. So let's see. Over here, yes. Cool, because then now it's just all on the top. I don't want to go too much over because I just want to visualize this splitting system. Hopefully it works decently in one go. Oh, it's not gonna work in one go. I am guaranteed that one. So we have that one over here. Okay, so we have that split in here. That's the 3 combiners. That goes to that one. That goes straight. That goes straight. And doing
Thanks
all
to our
that.
station sponsor,
Okay,
the
so
Center for
now
Stress Management.
huh? What the crap? Was not clicking. It was not clicking. It was not clicking. Kind of want to go here, so going over there. Wait, I have one more splitter, right? Yeah, I have one more splitter, so I still need a secondary pad to combine to. There. Okay, there we go. There we go. Clicked in. Okay, we still have a 2-patter, so we need to combine it somewhere. Oh, I forgot that one. I forgot to combine it. I don't want to do that, so. Okay, so I first need to test if this one actually works, so. Because these are 2 sharp corners. I want to know if that one actually works or not. Come on, click in. There we go. Right, 1 marble. Okay, yeah, that works. That works. Nice. Okay. Okay, now it's a problem. Like, I have 2 splitters, but damn. Okay, I can combine it here. Yeah, I can do that padding here and that it goes into here too. Yeah, that's the fast lane and then split in here, split in here. So I can build that out here. Yes. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Found it. Found the solution. Found it. Okay.
24/7 London Radio.
This one goes in here. And then it goes up. This one I want around here. Because then I can go down here, hopefully. Yeah, okay, let's try that. So let's see if this works. This is a bad one, so let's don't use that one for now. Cool, so this one goes into here. That's gonna be a straight line, so that should be fine doing all that. Two straight pieces, please. Thank you. No. There we go. Another straight piece. Okay, that should work. That goes straight, and then we need to go down, 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 down. And we can go here. Oh, but then this one is pretty full, huh? Yeah. Oh, this is fun, but also frustrating. So we can get to there. So let's see if we can go. Do we have sharp corner, sharp corner, sharp corner? There, found one. Nope, too smart. So that's not good. Okay, so this one goes there. This one goes here. And then it goes down, and we're gonna loop back there. Oh no, that's not gonna work. I set myself up with this one, huh? I don't want to go up here. I don't want to enclose this one either. So yeah, okay. Okay, 2 stages going here. If I shorten this one, and I can loop around, hopefully, then jump around here and maybe reach it. Yes, okay, I can do that. So this one is needed, this one is needed, but this one is not needed. So I can do this one. It's gonna be a little bit of a short path, which should be fine. So that is fine. Then we have this as an entrance, and then we get curve here. So we're gonna place this one over here and just go down here, down here. We're not gonna make that. Boo! Okay, how? Because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we're not gonna make that. I don't think we're gonna make it. We're gonna try it, because if we don't try it, we cannot accept it. There we go. 3 more pieces. Let's see how far we can get it. Alright, so let's see if this works correctly. Come on. Let's put this one in here so that it gives more strength. Straight here. Up in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's reinforce this one. Let's see how far we can get it. It's really cool how all the colors are popping out, by the way. Okay, let's see if this one actually works. So, oh, I don't have magnets in this one yet. Yep, no magnets here. Okay. Okay, more magnets. There we go. Forgot to magnetize it. Forgot to magnetize it. See, and normal plastic, there are clicks in like it should be. Like, I don't even hurt my thumb now. But the silk ones are really iffy, so those need to be reprinted in a different size, which I have not set up fully yet. So, yeah. Okay, and this one goes in here, clicks into place. cool. And that's kind of what we're gonna do. Yeah. And then we're gonna go for a sharp corner and do that. At least that's the idea, right? Yeah. Oh. Okay, so we have this one now. Okay, now we need to get that into place. So we need to go for a sharp corner. Just want to go up here. Do that. So we get this one here. So another sharp corner. Maybe it works. No, don't need a sharp corner. Okay, let's build this one up for this one. No, I want it here. Okay, let's see where this one goes. A little bit more rigidity in that one. Okay. Straight piece, please. Okay, the challenge is keeping it as open as much so that the top view one will actually see the splits. Yeah, I'm signing myself up for a hard one. So this one goes into here. Yeah, okay. So here's the dropping one. This is gonna be... I'm gonna push it here, so... Okay, so not this one, not this one. That one. So let's get this one in. So that, okay, we need an open piece again. Let's use this one. Cool. This one up, put this one in the center, get the two straight pieces, so 3 more. I think then we have a good small setup to show the splitters, at least I hope so, if they split. That's the next question, if they bloody split. Sometimes they don't, it sucks. So now I'm gonna try that one. So we have the marble like that. Okay, so this is the test piece that I want to test out. Hey, ooh, we're reaching it. So maybe we can go. Oh. Okay. So if this one drops here, then I can go in here. Oh. Okay. Alright, multi-piece. Now we need a corner like that here. Come on. Then we can go 1, 2, 3. I don't think we're gonna reach this. I don't think we're gonna 1, 2, 3. Oof. Don't think we're gonna reach this one. Nope, it's a straight one. Let's see, so this is also straight into the corner. Let's give it a little bit support because this is fragile. Now we just need 2 straight pieces again. Let's see if this works. So I'm gonna push this one in here without the bottom piece because that's gonna block up. Hopefully this will be enough. Okay, so I'm gonna test the track here. Oh. I did something on accident. It's quite fun. Oh, this is cool. Like hopefully I can. Yep. Okay. I didn't even realize, but this kind of works. So if we set it up and we roll the marble on the top. And it gets enough speed to go further. Because the drop time is higher. Okay, I'm fine. This works too. Oh, this works too. Okay, yep. Okay, yep. Whoop. Okay, let's get all the marbles. So that is fun to see. It actually works. Okay, so this one is in place. I know this one is gonna bump a lot, so we need to reinforce it with magnets, side magnets. Get another one in place. I know how jammy that one is. So let's see if this works. Oh, it's gonna be cool. Okay, let's line them all up. Okay, let's see. Oh. Yeah, okay, that one is blocky. Still cool though. Like this is just full madness. Okay, it's madness, but yeah, that one is not working because problems. But I like that the marbles just go everywhere. This is really cool. That's pretty cool. And this one doesn't have the switcher yet. I have two with switch, so after this print I'm gonna print a couple more that hopefully a little bit fine-tuned again. Then I can switch things out here and make it work. This is cool just to see this, man. Like holy crap. Let's get the camera a little bit lower so you can actually see the bottom too. So it is this split, and that one. So camera wise this should be the best angle for that one. So, and sometimes it just jumps up. And now it goes too fast. What? Okay, so cannot turn that one. Still cool though. Still cool. I just need the consistency. I know which ones are the problems. Aw, dude. This one. So yeah, this part getting stuck is the one part that just annoys me, because it's not good. It's not a good thing, and I'm still puzzling out how to fix that. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. I'm missing one. There, found it. So how to fix that is the calibration of doing all this. Oh, good. Boo! Yeah, this one is warped, so that divot is warped. So the moment it leans on, it just gets stuck there. See, this is the hard part of doing all that. How to fine tune that? That's the trick of setting it all up. I have no clue yet. I think I need to make the tappy thing on the bottom a little bit bigger again and see if that works. But it's so able to go dead center. That one works. That's the fast lane. Another fast lane. That's another fast lane. Too hard. Not enough force. That's why this one is getting stuck. Okay. So maybe if I switch this one for this one, because this is a shorter drop, so if I switch that, I might be able to at least stop the jamming there, because that one needs less force. And hopefully that one works better. So let's get this one out. Let's go over here for now. No. Get this one out. This one out. Place it for this one. Come on. Okay, that one is there. This one goes here. Yeah. Okay, let's see if this one goes a little bit better here. Yeah, that works better. It still jams up, but that showed more promise than the other position. Switch it and move it around until it works. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm still missing one. That, yeah. Okay. I'm not missing one. I just didn't put it in. So it looks shaping up. Yeah, so I need to stop that. Is the bump so hard that it switches out? Oh, that's a problem. Oh, not enough force. So it's going too hard. Okay, so sometimes the thing can smack it so much that it goes back and forth because the energy of the tap of the ball going down is too high. Oh, that is... Goddamn, I cannot. That's not fun. Oh, that's not fun. How are we doing that then? Because if this keeps going, then this is always starting to fail. Oh, how to make it kinetic good, guys. Then you need multi-material and a bomb that sticks it there, but that's not fun. Oh yeah, I'm no. That's not great. That's really not great. If you go too fast, then it gets stuck. Like, the moment you speed it up, just for what I want to make for the video, then it's just like, nope. Ah. Oh, good. Okay, I need to do that. Okay. Let's fix that. See the colors of these. Okay. So this one doesn't drop down too much. Okay. Let's keep trying and experimenting why this is failing. Because it should not be here, because like it should be in that angle. And that one went perfect. Should have recorded it. It's the fine-tuning process that's the hardest one. Oh, there it goes again. Because then this one is not that correct. That one is absolutely not correct. And then we have that one that is also not correct. Oh, this is a challenge. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2. Yeah. Okay, let's try to record it with the phone. Jeez. And the last one gets stuck, bloody hell. Oh, I almost had it. I almost had it. Yeah. So close. So close. Nope, no. You stay there. Behave. I know you want to roll, but you're not allowed yet. Stop rolling and keep quiet. Okay. Okay. So boo! Boo, 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 boo. Okay, now it goes wrong too much. Oh, I just need one video that goes right. I had my shot and I didn't record it. That's still cool. Still cool. Okay, well, if it goes wrong, I can also make a video about that. I should learn that. Okay, that's the one part that you don't feel, you piece of shit. Yeah. Boo. Boo. That's the one fill I just don't want to record. Ah. Goes too fast. Yep, still recording. All right, try again. Oh, there we go. Oh. God damn. Ugh. Okay, I need to fix this. Okay, do that. Okay, I'm gonna fix that problem. Okay, let's see if we can fix that very fast. Let's grab this one, no, that one. This one works better here. Oh, one too low. Let's go there. Switch this one out. Yeah, I know you're gonna fall. Hopefully this doesn't pick up enough speed for this, so I can do this. Okay, so okay, hopefully this is gonna be enough. Okay, that's better. Okay, so at least we got that problem fixed out. Why was my phone still recording? Come on. Get that out. Yeah. Okay, let's keep trying. So the drop fill is gone because nope, hey, stay here. I remove that. It's still cool though, but it's not something you want. Okay, so we remove one of those pieces. This is fine. The construction is fine. That should be fine. Yes. Okay, cool. think that was
You are
decent. That was
listening to
decently good.
24/7 London
Let's see.
Radio.
Yeah. Yes. Cool. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I'm fine with that one. Okay, let's put you up. Let's go to YouTube. I just uploaded a video, which was great. Okay, ooh, cool. Okay, let's get up the hype more because I just uploaded a video that is going decent, and hopefully this one adds up to it. Cool, okay. Okay, now I can add the sound. What the hell? Okay. Nah. Ew. Okay, that's good. Multi-pad. Okay, that is good. Multi-pad working, done. Cool. I like cool background. All right. More pads, more magnets. More pads, more magnets. Hashtag marble. Hashtag 3D printing. 3D printing. And now we have cat design. Hashtag cat. Hashtag freedom. Okay, now we have all that. Related video, please. Oh, this is excited. I want to upload this one and then get the other one in. Instagram. Now we need add another one. Reel. multi-pad working. Oh, fuck. Oh, no, shit. Did I make a spelling error? Oh, now I need to check this, huh? Multi-pad or multi-pad? Doesn't give an error. Is multi-pad the correct word? If a sentence or a sentence, then you still okay. Multi-pads onto each other. Okay. Cool. Me and my spelling. Yeah, I'm not good with phones. No. Sound is always so hard. Why is this all trending? What the fuck? Yeah, okay, I don't want to do this. That one, not that working. Okay, it's always the hard part of text doing that. I hate uploading things, but this is great. More routes to roll around with. Marble. 3D printing. 3D print. 3D printing. I could explain it, but I'm sure I will leave the family friendly boarding almost instantly. Yeah. I'm so not good with the hashtags and the uploading things because I just got the video up of this one too. And it's always, I'm so troubled with the hashtags because like I'm trying to do it right now and I should think about it for 2 hours and I'm just impatient for that. But hey, how are you doing, man? We now have three splitters. Which is bloody cool. Oh, this is so cool. 3D print, marble, split, Deck. Multi choice. Yeah, it's not. I hope you're doing okay. Like I'm happy with this. Like I'm just trying to. Okay. Fun. Play. Cool. Okay, we got this one. Okay. Play this. I have never uploaded this fast. Yeah, there are a lot more ways to actually do things. But this is only 3 paths, so like you can do. It's not going 100% still, so I'm still having that pulse louders like make it very consistent. But yeah, no, there we go. Come into place. So it's not 100% consistent yet, and don't bump that the wrong way. But I mean, I'm having fun with it. And this shows the top parts mostly, so it needs to be more consistent. And now we get them stuck. Ah, there too. So sometimes that happens, but these are loose. This one is the better one. So this is the best one currently. And the others are still semi-flat designs, so it doesn't always 100% work. But I'm still pretty happy that this is already having fun with it. And this is a small test setup to see if the splitter works and visualize it a little bit, so yay! And then that happens. They all roll off. It's too fast. It's just too fast. Like there is only one step down here, so one drop, and it's just too fast, which sucks. So I'm gonna try to fix that again. So let's see if we can fix it. Let's put that over here and over here. Okay, straight piece. Then round. Let's put a tower protection here. So we have some support. Cool. I think over here we can drop it. Yeah, cool, that's better. Hopefully this is a little bit better. So yeah, you cannot do big drops, the marble is just too loose, like, yep. Let's get some supports under this, because we have enough pieces, so why the hell not? Okay, so hopefully this works better. Oh, yep. Damn it. My hands are tired, everything is tired, but I cannot sleep, I hate this. There we go. Ah, making fun of the whole day. There we go. Okay, put it in. Okay, let's see if this works now and it doesn't get stuck somewhere else. So, yay. Alright. Oh. Now this one is just too sharp. Okay, so we need to change this one now. Into this one, into this one. That's the pain of doing this. But we can swap things out pretty easy. So that's fine. Okay, let's put a piece under here. Then it's just more increased strength. Because we have the pieces anyway, so why not? Ooh. Okay, that's better. Cool. Now it's gonna bug somewhere else, as always. Oop. And I forgot that I had the basket in my hand. Screwing around. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yep. Keep losing all the things. Alright, so set it up. And now it went good. Now it worked. That's the testing, that's the prototyping, that's just the reiteration of doing all that. Fine-tuning the splitter is pretty hard. But this one is good, this one is a little bit iffy. Sometimes when the marble's up, it gets stuck on plastic in the corners here, so you need to be careful. You need to be decently careful how you print it and where it starts and stops, because there's a small bit of plastic sticking out. So this one here is, let's show. So when the marble sits in here, this is the furthest it can go, because there's a small bit of plastic in this corner here on the top, and I didn't see that. So if the marble sits in here, it just doesn't pop correctly. And I didn't notice that until I got it fully installed, which sucks. But yeah. That's the fun of prototyping and testing and see where it goes, because it's that puzzle of whee! Need to make it consistent enough that it works, but also not break enough that it not works. Is that because this one works good, but this one has a bump here. This is too much space. This should be tight, yeah. Oh, it's that precision of the design makes it really hard. You cannot fuck it up. This one fucked up because it's warped. It was not sticked on the bed completely, so there's also a little bit of weirdness going on there. Because now this one is sloped and it's a little bit, instead of that flat piece, it's just going slightly on the corner, so that corner bumps into the edge where it should go on, but it's like doink, just going there, and then it gets stuck. It seemingly works, but I'm not happy with it yet. It needs to be more consistent. This one feels good. So this one at least decks up with 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So that's the challenge of puzzling that one out. But holy crap. Oh damn. I'm not. It's not the 100% that I'm happy with it, but like, is there a way to make this better? I'm not sure. I just don't know, and I don't have a full comprehension of how to do that. But yeah, there are solutions for it, and also not. And then you still need to puzzle out how to go up. That's the next challenge. Yeah, that's the problem I'm having. Like, let's get the marbles away. Like, this one has that lever on the inside, so it gets pushed. That block will push it around. And that works, but it's really fine-tuning how big it is, because if I go too big, the kinetic force is so good that this one smacks here and smacks back into the center. I've studied it a couple times, like doing this. You put the marble in and then it just boink and then boink, and it pops off again. So it's really that timing of like, how good are you gonna make that switch of doing that block and where. So that is still a little bit of the puzzle of like, where do you get that block correctly so it has a small nip but not enough. But it also depends how fast the ball goes in. If it is a 2-layer distance, so these two in and that's it goes fine. But to 4, it's a congestion. So it's really depending how much speed you put into it, which really sucks. So yeah, timings. That's the problem. That's kind of the sinking problem. I'm like, damn it. Boo. Meh. Because the one in the center is a little bit smaller. So this one is, that block is smaller, so it has more tendency to go into the center. This one is slightly bigger and has a tendency to overshoot it. So it's still that puzzle of which timing is gonna work better. And consistency in 1 drop distance, 4 drop distance, or 5 flat length. So it's also depending on the speed of the ball. Yay. Yeah. That's what I like. I'm trying my best to do that, and it's hard to stop that, but yeah. But hopefully design wise, because as you can see, like, because this new design, you already can hopefully see the distance. Like, there's a small cover here, so instead of a double loop on one side, so the printed part goes sideways up, which creates a lot of friction. It's now also the clicking part on the inside that supports that area, so it's more flat. so you can go preciser, and I need to fine tune that one, that this is just always working and not enough resistance. So if this one is fully smooth, then it should just work. Because if I cannot do that, and this one needs to be fine tuned a little bit more, so I have less spacing, and that's just reprinting and get that timing working. But that's the trick. Like, shit. But yeah, the edge case is always there, and I know. But still, in my mind, I want to try to get that point nailed out right. Like, it should work. It should work. Ooh. Oh, now this one is stuck. The original. Eh? Oh, you're stuck. No, this one was too high. Yeah, there are always edge cases, so it's sad, but it sucks. But it's still a cool design. There's still some fun to do with, and yeah, just some small tweaks, and hopefully it works. At least that's the idea. The single track works fine. The single track is fine. The multi-pad is the hardest one, and that's what I need to upkeep, because that one is a budget of, like, you buy it, so it needs to work better. Now this is just stuck. Oh, again. But yeah, this is the very first one. This is the most consistent one, but now these ones are better, so this one is inconsistent. Like, damn it. But it's still a cool concept of doing this. I'm still fine, and it's still an exciting thing to build, and to create the concept of, like, cool, can we do this? Can we actually create a system where it works? And that is really cool. So I'm checking on I posted the video at 6, which is now 800 views. That's the big one with all the smack shorts, and this one is now just uploaded 50 views. Like, awesome. But yeah, building all that out is a little bit hard still. It's still cool. I'm having a blast with it. Oh wow. Okay, so on Instagram, the multipad one is only 20 views left, and then it's higher than the one I posted 6 in a day. Oh, boo. Instagram really likes interactive things, huh? Like, that is different than the rest. Oh, I don't understand social media. Welcome to social media. It works and it doesn't work. It's still cool. Oh. It's still exciting. How are we gonna build this out? Wait, huh? I just made another one, right? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that one on Instagram is not working, and the multi-split part one is now going up. Like, it's interesting how YouTube and Instagram work in a way. Like, let's get it into that one. But it's the part of like, yeah, they're doing all that. It's still cool. I want to go bigger. I want to go more, but that takes time. And I'm really running out of cool, colorful plastics to run out of. Like, I have a lot of grays left and a lot of blacks and white, but it's not fun on a Marble Madness contraption. White and black doesn't fit. Gray, a little bit of grays is fine, but you don't want to overpower it. And I have 2 kilos of gray, which will overpower the whole contraption. Damn it. It's still fun. Yeah. Yeah, to do the multi-angle short parts, I need the second person that keeps pushing the marbles, because if I push the marbles and get the camera angle, push the marbles, get the camera angle, it's are really not great shots. So I need the second person for that, and I don't always have a visitor at home that I can say, hey, you push the marbles, I do recording. See, I just need to make that motor engine so I can keep recording, and it just keeps playing and it just keeps going, and then I can just do everything, because then I remove the second person because I have a motor just bringing it up again. Yeah. After Thursday, I'm gonna start physically on that one, but for now, it's this. There are so many things to. I think I just need to go bigger. Because if we check, it's hard to see for you guys, but yeah, so. I think I just need to make it bigger, which sucks. So this precision needs to go better. Oh. And then this one needs to go higher. Okay, what can I still fix here? Okay, I cannot do that one, I cannot do that. Damn it. Boo. Boo, 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 boo. So if... Oh, okay, I'm cracking my brain on this one. So it's the precision of the height parts, but it needs to connect good, but also not too good, because then you get friction in this level that's just going like that. But if it is too free, the whole angle can do this more. But if it is tight enough, then this doesn't drop too much. But you're working in 0.2 layer height, so you have jumps of 0.2 millimeters. Boo! Ah, boo. Because then you always get the problem of doing that bounce. Oh, there was another one. Yep. Okay. See, now it works. Not recording and it works. These marbles really know when I'm recording, huh? But yeah, the problem is going too fast is also not great, so... So we need to slow it down, but I am pretty sure that the engine part will slow it down by a lot. But then sometimes it just gets stuck, and while the motor is bringing up the next marble... Oh, see, this is the part that needs to stop. So this one needs to be a little bit more bigger. Okay. Oh, too fast. All right, you jump off and you get still on. Works. That was a free ball. And yeah, this whole line is just. Whee! But that one worked. It just jumped up. Yeah, they did. In a lot of cases, they really define logic, man. Like, I'm just. Oh, let's get loose. Come over here. No. Stupid marbles. Alright, so let's get another one.
London Radio.
Yep. Let's build another one. Oh, okay, let's build another one. Okay, I'm happy with this part, but then it's the split in there. Okay, yeah. Okay, I still want this piece here. This is the part I like. So I'm gonna fix this one. We're gonna remove this. We're gonna remove this. This for now. Okay, this needs to go one level up, and then we're gonna get this one. No. We're gonna get this one over here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I like that this one works like this. Yes. So we're gonna copy this, but we also need to bring this one layer up, which is gonna be fun. Yay! Okay, so it's gonna do this. Let's see if this actually works. Come on. You stay there. Okay, so this one works here. This one, so you can go here. You can go here. Let's see if this one works. So like that, and that. Yeah, okay. Hey, we wasted the level. Hey, that works. Okay, that was fun. Okay, that was fun. Okay, so now we're gonna replicate this one and mirror it on the other side. And repeat the process. So I can make a split here, push it in, and then split in here. Because then I can do this one here. No. This is not the correct one. There's this one. So I want to have the marble start here, so we're gonna do this one here. We're gonna duplicate this one to here, and then we can make a centerpiece, and then I'm gonna make another video and upload it tomorrow, because fuck yeah. Because I want to do this one here, so now we can do anything here. Now I need to think, because now I want to do this over here. Okay, you know what? Let's make the pad, the actual working pad first. So I need a straight piece now. Let's see if this works. Okay, so we put it over here, it's too fast. If we put it one, it's going good enough. So this one needs to be a straight. So this one needs to go over here, this one needs to go over here. Then this one can go over here. So this should be fine in case. Yeah, okay, that should be fine. Yes, because this bump here stops it. Woo! I'm gonna roll. Okay, so now I need to do this one here again. Ow, ow, oh, back. Can I turn? Oh, I can do that. So I need a lefty. New idea, lefty. So if I go left, it should be fine. So we swap this one out and this one in, put this one here. So now we can do this. So it's actually doing it more like that. Yeah, okay, cool. Cool. Okay. Because I want this one here, so I need a set piece here. I hope the camera is decent enough. The angles are not the best, but so that one, this one. Okay, now we need an empty piece. And this one. So now we have this one here. Okay, now the hard part is get the end part. So we have this one and this one. Okay, so now we need to stitch the last splitter. Where's the last splitter? Hello? Oh, over there. Of course. Okay, so now we need to split this one into pads here. And I think that's going here for the safest part, because then we can do that one. Okay, so it needs to be 3 high at least, so that's that. So put this one under it. So at least we're gonna go 4 high for this one at least. Now the where is still the puzzle. Well, because if we do this one, we break this one pretty much down, and that one. So not enough speed. Not enough speed, okay. So this one gets removed like that. Goes in like this. And go for straight. So this one goes there. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna fix it. Okay, that's more fun. Okay, now I need to bring this one in here, so that one goes just simply like that. Ooh, sorry, if you want to know something, please ask, otherwise I'm just puzzling on with this one. This one, this one, this one, this one. Yeah, that works. That works. Okay, so now we need to make the starting tower. And I'm going to use that so I can actually do this one in front of here. so loud. Okay, yeah, okay, cool, cool, cool. Got all the pieces I want. Let's get the last piece in working condition. There, so 4 needs to go here. Yep. And then I can push here, camera, and then do that. Yeah, okay. Oh, that's gonna be a challenge, huh? Okay, we're gonna do the corner continuously. Because then I can push like that. Yeah, cool. That's better. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. This strength, so then I can push around here. Yeah, okay, that's better. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh. Too much exercising on Sunday, my back really hurts. It's not fun. Let's drop like that. Yes, cool. This one is going over here, this one's going over here, this one's going over here, this one's going over here. So this is the drop. Okay, now we just need to straight. Stack it up. I will upload this one a little bit later because if I go too short, like it's 4 videos in a row, I don't want to do that. Cool, this should look better. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 9, perfect. Okay, so just want to test this. So now it's split into a split into a split instead of one free pad. So let's see if this looks cooler. And then I will upload this one tonight or tomorrow. Okay, so let's see if this. Okay, that angle is good enough. That angle is also great. So let's see. Oh. Boo. I think I need to swap those two. Ow. Okay, my back is really killing me. Damn it. Okay, it's always the second one, bloody hell. Boo! Ah, boo. I need just that piece. Okay, I want to switch this one and this one now. Let's see. Yeah, that works way better. Only it gets stuck here. Because I know that. Come on. Still cool though. Okay, this is a couple less times, otherwise because damn my back. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is why it gets stuck here. There's a hill going up. Okay, that one is fixed. You know what? I'm fine if it gets stuck there. Now I need to record again. Now the camera goes on and now it goes completely wrong. Huh? And my hands are getting tired, so yeah, I'm reaching my limit. But still, having fun with it. Oh. Yeah, bloody hell, the new videos doing better on Instagram. I don't understand algorithms. So it went bloody perfect. Damn it, it went perfect. That's not what I wanted. Break! Just... The marbles know. They know. I kind of want to film the mistake and record that and show like, hey, it is not perfect yet, but... And it works perfectly. I hate you. I hate you, stupid piece of... I'm trying to show that it's not working. I'm really trying to show that it's not working. I'm really trying to show that it is not working. So please, stop working. Cynical, huh? Okay, well, now it's working. I'm really... One last time. One last time, you. They just know. They know I just want one fill. That one ball gets stuck here. Oh, they know. They know. Oh, that's too much. God damn it. That is too much. Like, I just want that stock. This stock is fine. I don't want to drop off. Okay. Now the balls went overboard. Now the balls went overboard. They really know it. Just a little bit broken, please. Just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit, please. Not too much, not too good. Just a tiny bit. Cool. I'm happy with that one. Okay, I'm not gonna upload this one directly because I just did that, so I will probably do it a little bit later. But that's for me today because my back is killing me. Thank you all for watching. I'm gonna keep printing. Thursday I have a 3D print meeting from a small group of people that I go to every 2 months. It's a hackerspace in the Netherlands. So if you are in the Netherlands and reading this before Thursday, it's in Rotterdam, so at the hackerspace Pixel Bar. And it's a public event in the evening, so you are very welcome if you enjoy 3D printing. Probably the audience is a little bit too far away for that, but you're welcome to come. It's gonna be fun. But it's really cool that this works. But still a little bit more stabilizing of all the things. Anyway, that's me printing non-stop and keep doing all this what I can. And wow, we're making progress. We're making progress. Awesome. I cannot put my arms higher. Ow. Don't exercise too much, guys. I cannot get my arms higher than that. Ow. Okay, again, all thank you for watching. See you all next time. Hopefully next Tuesday or maybe a Saturday. I have no clue. Still a lot of things to puzzle out. Hopefully I get a message for more plastic. But we're gonna see. We're gonna trug on and make the best out of it. The splitter is stable. Sometimes a little bit quirky. But hopefully with a little bit of fine-tuning, we can make the quirky less quirky and more... How do you say that? Chosen to be good quirky. Yeah, that sounds good. See you next time.